Hey guys, welcome to Katie's Design Corner. Today we are doing a Dollar Tree review. These items were found in the Dollar Tree Plus stores, which have aisles that are $3 and $5 items. We are testing out this glow-in-the-dark powder to see if it really does glow in the dark. I wanted to do it with something small, so we're just going to make these little keychains and see if they actually do glow in the dark. This resin and hardener was also purchased at the Dollar Tree store in the Dollar Tree Plus aisles for $5. These reusable measuring cups are the best. They make cleanup so easy. I started with pouring in 20 milliliters of the resin and 20 milliliters of the hardener, and then you stir to get it all mixed together and get the bubbles out, make it easier to work with. I opted trading out the white powder with the green. I feel like for glow in the dark, green is just like the prime color, and I wanted to see if it would work better. I also wanted to be a little bit more fancier and add some glitter into just two of them, the pink one and the blue powder. I wanted to leave the green alone to get the full representation of what the glow in the dark would look like. This resin tray of the alphabet was purchased at Michael's craft stores. I wanted to show how easy the cleanup is with these baby wipes. They were purchased from Aldi, I think, in like a 3-pack. It literally gets all the resin out. There's no sticky feeling left over in the measuring cup anymore, and it's dry and ready to use again. Here's the finished product. We're gonna let it sit overnight and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. Here's 24 hours later. I added 2 more resin ones, which is projects I was doing. I didn't want to waste resin. So if you notice the D and G, these are from different projects, just a white clear base with red glitter. I feel like the blue with the glitter turned out so well. The glitter really does shine through the powder. And the green also is like true glow-in-the-dark green. I'm excited to see if they actually do glow-in-the-dark. Same with this H. Mixing the two green and pink resin, I wanted to really see if it would shine through with a little bit of glitter, if the glow-in-the-dark would shine through. The pink with sparkles also looks so pretty. As a fellow Katie's Design Corner, I'm really excited to use this and add it to my bag if it actually does glow in the dark. Here is the final product. We'll get them all lined up. And then we will slowly turn off the lights and see if they really do glow in the dark. Are you ready? They glow in the dark. The resin powder actually works and they do glow in the dark. The green powder clearly really does shine better, so does the pink. The blue is a little hard to see. I don't know if it's just because of the blue or because of the glitter that was mixed in it, but it does work. Thank you guys so much for watching this Dollar Tree review of these glow-in-the-dark powders. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video below, and I'll catch you guys next Wednesday for some more crafting, cleaning, or organizing. See ya! Bye!